Yeah, what's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. We doing something totally different. Y'all read the title. We riding while rapping. I ain't talking about no mumble rap neither. Listen close, pay attention. Check me out. Here we go. Master Yoshi in this thing, and I'm in here to switch the game. Riding on the CBR600rr, that's my baby's name. Just 600 cc's, but that's just all I need, G. Cause if we in them corners, trust me, you ain't finna see me.
Talk to him now.
Not cause I'm riding fast, I just let you pass. Impressing another man won't be the reason that I crash. I do my own thing, y'all know I ride my own ride. But every now and then I got those sessions where I slide.
Zoom.
I grab the throttle, twist the wrist. Like crypto, don't make no fist. Gotta stay relaxed, my boy. Yeah, I'm sure you get the gist. If I wanna take off quick, I grab the clutch, now shift or swift. But if I twist my wrist too quick, I just hope my front wheel don't lift.
Sheesh.
Cracking jokes all through this rap, so I hope you listen. I do too much on these streets cause I don't like prison. And I like my license too, ain't tryna let them take it. And I sure don't wanna spread my cheeks to cough all naked. Yoshi in this thing, and I'm riding while I'm rapping. I keep it a buck with all of y'all, I ain't about no capping. If Blue Cinder's a cross rocket, does that make me a captain? I'm about to switch a look up, man, I'm about to start the rapping.
Vinyl.
If I see them sirens, I probably won't run.
Don't do it.
Getting thrown in jail, now that ain't no fun. You gotta know the risk. Do you accept? It ain't worth it to me, dog. I'd rather cut the check. Lock me up and throw away the key. Yeah, that's what they try to do when they be extra ruthless, knowing damn well that I'm final too. And they trying to break my back like Tyson. I'm talking final two. It make me wanna slap the jail like this is bruh's barbecue. Back at it, don't be stuck, I'm talking static. Riding can be addictive, got you feeling all ecstatic. For those who are against it, man, they just been misinformed. They heard and think it's dangerous, they think they've been forewarned. They like, man, my cousin died and he used to ride. I can't tell you what it was like to watch my uncle cry. It hit way too close to home, man, the feeling's spooky. I'm like, damn, no offense, just don't ride like Pookie. Yoshi in this thing, and I'm riding while I'm rapping. I keep it up with all of y'all, I ain't about no capping. If Blue Cinder's a cross rocket, does that make me a captain? I'm about to switch a look up, man, I'm about to start the rapping. And I'm gone.
At a breath like a motherfucker.